So, welcome to Analytics Labs, and this is a short tutorial on how to log into LMS and how to navigate. So, all these small things that this video will help you to get started. Great. So, probably you're seeing this video because you would have by now enrolled to one of our live interactive programs or classroom programs or the self-paced video-based training. So either of the mode that you have enrolled for, the LMS, what we call as that is Learning Management System, still remains the same. So you would have got an email that would have probably taken you to this page. So just put your login ID and your password, which you would have got it. Normally the login ID is uh, your email ID. And once you do that, probably you will end up coming to this home page, right? Now, this is just a LMS of one student who was enrolled for our Data Science 360, one of our popular programs. So yes, so once you join, probably once you click the home button here, you will find the course that you have enrolled for and what is the progress and everything that you can see at this point of time, right? Now, for beginners, I think your counselors would have told you that there are some pre-class learnings one should go through before starting the first module of any batch. So yes, so for Data Science 360, the first module is our data visualization and analytics, in which Excel is the first module. You will find it here. So just click this drop down. So you will find what is the program that you've enrolled for. Yeah, in this scenario it is Data Science 360, and these are the modules associated with it. So don't get worried if you're not able to see these modules, that is R for data science, Python for data science, not highlighted. They are not highlighted because those modules haven't started yet. So nothing to worry here. So first, you will have to start with your pre-learning, which we call as the building blocks of data analytics. So you can click here, and you will find series of videos. So class 1 is mandatory though before starting the Excel class. And regarding class 2, class 3, class 4, if you have time, you can go through. These are the pre-learning videos that we have collaborated with IBM on their content. This is what you'll have to start with, right? So you can just click the play button here, and the
Hello everyone.
yeah. So the the video starts there, and yeah, you can go through it. So we have various small things that could help your learning. So one is, let's say
In
you
this
watch the video, and let's say you watch till 1 minute here, right? And
of
probably
the date, let's say
for
today,
some reason you're not able to continue, and let's say you want to bookmark it. So you can go to click bookmark, and you can just add a bookmark here, and whatever it is content, you can just rename it according to your choice, whatever it is, right? And you can just save it. So when tomorrow, well, let's say when you just refresh this page now, and if you want to come here now, let's say, where is the class? Yeah, when you start playing,
hello everyone.
this will start appearing here, right? Yeah, so just click the bookmarks, and yeah, this is what you saved. Just click here, and the video is there for you so that you can start it from there. So the small things that we have done so that you can make use of it. And there are several other things also that you can do, like you can make digital notes on whatever you're viewing, so that, and also you can save it. So coming back to this, now let's say that is for the self-paced videos or for the videos that's already there. Now, how do I join a live class? Great. So click the program again here. So I think the data visualization is the what. Now in this case, if you see, January 31st, the batch started. This, and if you click the play button, you will get the recording. And the second class was on February 6th. You will get the recording. And let's say now the 7th, where the upcoming session, right? You can just click here, right? And your data visualization course, and prior to 24 hours, you will see a join button here prior to the class starting time. So once you click there, it will directly take you to the Zoom link, and where you can probably start your class. So this is small things that can see you like this. You can see here now the class 3. So now you'll not be able to join because this class is at February 7, 10 a.m. That is tomorrow, while I'm recording this video. So these are small things that you can go through. And coming back to the LMS, you have various things here. Now, let's say you have any assignments or projects that the faculties have given. It will be mentioned here at that point of time when the faculty is giving you something. So you can start probably downloading stuffs here. So similarly for projects and for evaluation, let's say you've submitted some assignments and what are the feedbacks accordingly, that will be mentioned here according to the projects and assignments that you have submitted, right? So this is the place where you can actually upload your assignments. And yes, coming to the fee part, yeah, so if anyone wants to see how much they've paid and what is outstanding or something like that, you can just come here. And if it is here, it's outstanding is nothing. If there is outstanding, it'll give you a small pay button. You can just click and you can pay here. And we similarly we have many other things that we have actually put it in our LMS. So you can get sample resumes, you can upload your CV and stuff. Great. So just go through, and this is one interesting session that we have, that is the blogs. So time and then we keep sending blogs, creating blogs, very useful towards data science and stuff. So that also you can actually find the blogs here as well, right? Great. So this is a small tutorial for the LMS. So I think I've covered most of it. Just go through it. This is just to kickstart. Anyhow, on the first class of your training, this again will be, the faculty will be actually going through this again. Yeah. Thanks then. Happy learning. Bye.